This is actually a repeat. I've actually got this before. Ipsy, please. I hope you can give us something different next time. Hi everyone, it's Cat Castle, your YouTube makeup artist with a heart. And on today's episode, we will be doing an unbagging of the Ipsy Glam bag. Yes, for August 2021. And just so you know, the Ipsy Glam bag is a monthly beauty bag subscription for $12. We get 5 deluxe size samples, and out of the 5, you get to pick one. So without further ado, let's open this bag. And what a cute bag for August. And once you open the bag, you actually get this card that tells you the products inside. And this month's theme is Wanderlust. And the first product here is the Milk Makeup Lip Plus Cheek in Work. And this is she. So it's a 2-in-1 cream stick. And this one actually also has moisturizing mango butter, peach nectar extract, and avocado oils to plump and smooth the skin as well. And the full size of this retails for $28. I myself, I love products like this because you know what? It's so easy to use. And look at that. So this is the color. Let's actually see. Look how pretty that is. It's actually kind of like a jelly-like texture. It's very lightweight, and look at that. And look how big this is. So if you actually like roll it from the bottom, that's actually a lot of product. And now you know what? Let's actually try it right on the cheeks. I'm gonna put some on. And look how pretty she is. Yes, it actually kind of goes with the blush that I'm wearing. And then after that, you can also blend it with your damp beauty blender. And then let's put again right on the other side. See how pretty she is. And then we're just gonna dab it right on the other side as well. So it's super hydrating and it's super cute. So this one will last us for a while. Yes. So the next product here is the Moroccan Magic Pure Coconut Lip Balm. This is actually a repeat. I've actually got this before. Ipsy, please. I hope you can give us something different next time, or at least a different flavor. But the good thing about this coconut lip balm is that this one also has virgin coconut oil that hydrates the lips. So Ipsy, hopefully next time you can give us another one again in a different flavor. And the next product here is the Balm Cosmetics Lid Quid Sparkling Liquid Eyeshadow in Rosé. Oh my gosh, this is actually what I chose. And the full size of this is $14. It's actually pretty big, believe it or not, for a deluxe size sample. And let me show you. Let's see actually how nice the color is. Look at that. It's actually a rose gold, but you know what? It's not too rosé. It looks like it's a combination of rose gold and a yellow gold because it's not so pink. And usually on my lazy days, I actually put this and then my liner and lashes and I'm good to go. Or if I really want to pop my shimmery eyeshadow, I will put this on first and then put the shimmery powder eyeshadow on top of it. And there you go. You're just gonna sparkle all day long. Yes. And the next product here is the Farah Medium Angled Shading 55E Rose Gold Collection Brush. And this one actually is full size that retails for $12. So this alone paid for the bag. Yes. And let's see. You know what? This is actually angled and it's actually synthetic bristles. You know what? I actually like this kind of brush to contour like the size of my nose. That's actually what I do. And then I connect it right towards the crease on the eyes as well. So actually I'm quite happy with this as well, because you know what, a girl can never have enough makeup brushes. And the last one here is the Saint Lux Clear Brow Gel, and the full size of this retails for $16. And this one is a lightweight gel that actually will make your brows look fuller without leaving a sticky residue as well. Again, this is quite a repeat product, but you know what? I don't mind it. I mean, all of us need a brow gel anyway, so I'll just put it in this in my makeup kit instead. So let me give you a quick rewind of what we got. So we got the Milk Makeup Lip and Cheek in Work. I actually love this. We actually got our makeup brush. That's full size. That's pretty good too. We actually got our Moroccan Magic Lip Balm. I just hope that next time it will come in a different flavor. And then we actually got the Balm Cosmetics Liquid Eyeshadow. I love that too. And we also got the brow gel as well. Yes. So my 3 favorites here are the brush, the cheek and the lip, and the eyes as well. So what do you think of this bag? Please let me know your thoughts. Yes. And if you enjoy this video, hope that you can support it by giving it a thumbs up. And also if you're into unbagging, unboxing, as well as product reviews, as well as my episodes where I do an eye makeup tutorial while I discuss a specific topic that's close to my heart, hope you can consider subscribing as well. Again, my name is Cat Castle, telling you that you are beautiful just the way you are, with or without makeup. And I love you. Have a great day. Bye.